No pizza for you.
Pizza? Oh, that looks yummy, doesn't it?
Look at
Yummy, yummy.
Oh my goodness, look
Yummy
at him.
pizza.
No pizza for you.
Yeah, whatever.
He's like, I can have pizza if I want pizza. Hi, Chili. Say cheese.
Say hello.
Cheese for your adoring public.
Oh, saw that reflection. Can you say hello?
Chili and Carlos. There we go. I got both of you in there.
Chili, chili. Look at her name.
Hi.
Look at the camera. Say hi.
I don't know, what do you tell a bird? You can't say look at the birdie like you do with kids. No, look at the kid.
Yeah, that'll probably be good.
Yeah. Look at my hand.
Yeah.
Come here, Chili.
Oh, pretty boy. He's all about the food. What a boy.
Imagine that. A bird about food. Food he's not supposed to have.
That's a big bird. He's gorgeous.
You were swimming. How about back? She's right back here in the corner of it, Jasmine. Great.
You go swimming too.
How are you?
Hey, big
Are you
guy.
swimming too?
Look at how pretty you are.
That used to be my shirt.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
You got big.
My...
Now it's yours.
I got it.
Finally speak.
Pretty bird.
Good boy.
Mom, have some. Mommy, hey, Curly.
I knew you were going to do that.
You want some of what? The jelly beans?
Yeah. Hey, Kirby.
Hold on, Mama's got to get
Mommy, help
plates
me.
out and cups and stuff.
No, you help Kirby.
I got him, babe.
This is the only one you're getting.
Oh, are you getting a good thing? Oh, sure enough.
Don't try to eat the whole thing.
Gotta hold on to it.
Jesse. How are you? You're still all wet.
He's a bowl eater.
I guess.
He takes anything and he puts it over his bowl.
So that he can pick up the crumbs after? Smart boy.
Whereas Pico just destroys.
Just lets it all explode.
That's Quinn. She'll pop one and pieces go everywhere and then she needs a new one.
I can't get there now.
Pretty chilly.